Hey guys, good morning. I'm here at the junkyard today to get the wood for for my van. So it's a same kind of van. So I came at the junkyard to get the wood. I'm trying to get it out right now. So just want to give you a feel of the area. Now, if you need a pot, you just come and look for the pot. Old pot, you go and pay instead of going to the store and buying a brand new one. So I came over here to get the pot for my vehicle. This is the Ford V8. So just want you guys to know that this is all possible. You can come and get your pot, and got my tools and everything. So I'm taking off the hood now, and I will show you when I get it and go install it. So hold tight and I'll show you what's going on. If I can get it off now, I can get my phone off. Okay guys, I got the hood, I got all the bolts removed, as you can see. Here, the bolt is removed from this side. It's also removed from the other side, so I'll put down the phone and put it in my wheelbarrow. This is from Polar Pot. That's where I am right now, Polar Pot. So I got a hood unbolted. So I'm just gonna take it now. Okay, hold tight. Yeah, this is my hood. Trying to get out of here now and go install it on my vehicle. So, okay guys, I'm at the warehouse right now. I just brought the hood that I got from the the strap yard from Polar Pot. This is the hood right here. That's the hood right there. So I'm going to remove this one. See, this is the damaged hood that's on this truck right now. Even here is damaged, but no, this spot is damaged right now. All here is damaged. I'll work on it right now. Remove that hood. Remove it. See the hole in it, and then install that one. So I will show you guys the finished product, because I cannot be doing it and holding this camera. So I will put the camera away and then remove the hood and then install the new hood on it. So you will see the finished product. Okay guys, just install the hood. Just install it here. There's dirt, so that I will clean, but that's the hood. This part, there is a dent right now I'm not going to work on it. You know, I'll do that when I get over there in Africa. So the main thing is to get that old rotten hood that was on it and install the new one. So that's the old part there. So basically I'm done now. The only thing is I need to check to see if the engine still run, because the last time I work on it, let's check here, check and see if it will start, and then we'll be good to go. So it starts and still working. Lights, I think everything can come on. So let's see here. Let's try the signal. See if the signal still works. Should be. It's still working. Try the other one. See that, let's see. This is the old wood, and this is the first guy. Good. Looks good. So I'm gonna shut off the engine and get ready to get out of here. Go do something else. Look for go look for the other part for the Nissan over there. That one is still not working yet, but it's a work in progress.